Hello everyone, thank you for watching. Appreciate your time. Happy New Year, 2026. So I just have to fix my X-Acto knife kit. So here's the magnet that the blades sit in. Here's the blades. And a little while back, the magnet was falling out. When I close it, it would just drop in there. Or if it would stay in with the dried up glue that it had on there, the blades would fall off and go inside the tray. So we can't be having that. That kills time in production. So we are going to just fix it real quick. So you need some alcohol, a flat blade, some type of scraper, piece of paper towel, and good old Walmart glue gun. That's it. Now I already scraped this, just basically on top. I did this for about 10 minutes prior, to the video. So this is all clean, ready to go. Take your alcohol. All right, boom, boom, boom. Your alcohol, just the side, obviously that's gonna that's gonna go down with the glue in the tray there. Clean it really well, and then obviously look at that. And then here we go. We'll just keep going with that, so you can see how dirty this is. And then you're gonna clean right in here. Oh, if you guys see, guys and girls, so clean right where it was, that side of the equation here. I think we're good. Yep, that'll work. Okay, clean both sides with alcohol. I think I'm just gonna go in the tray, and obviously you don't gotta put a ton in there. Yeah, here we go. Get this out of the way. All right, and here we go. Okay. Hopefully that works. Get in there quick because it does dry fast. Make sure you push it down below the spot where it was coming up before that, so the blades don't stay in. So make sure you push it really hard. If you're a big, heavy person, a really strong person, don't break it, but definitely put some firm pressure on it. Hold it. It might ooze out of the side a little bit. That's okay. You just cut it away later after it dries. All right, I think we're good. And just so it's clean, just so it's like all clean, well, alcohol the side that the blades do sit on. All right, let's see what happens. They all go in their corresponding groove or area where it sits in. So I like this. Still sits kind of out of it, but let's just see when we close it if it holds this time. They don't fall, And it doesn't have to be perfect. Like I always say, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to work. Oh, we got 2 of these, so these right there. That's a big one that we're using, that is being used right now, so that will go there. This little guy goes here. Okay, see, it's supposed to sit lower than that. I'm gonna get it lower, but we'll see. It's just like I said, it just has to work. All right, one more. You know what? In the spots that we have open, we'll take the doubles. Give them a fighting chance to not fall. A little spot right here. Okay. This extra big one. Let's see if we can fit over here. Yeah, that'll do, donkey. That'll do. Okay. See what happens. Well, it's not falling. Obviously, I'm going to do it harder. Oh, look at that. Yep, she stayed in this time. All right. Thank you for watching. Appreciate your time. Please don't forget to subscribe. And guys and gals, everyone have a happy, healthy, and wealthy New Year. Thank you.